Magandang gabi sa inyo. It's Martes ng gabi ngayon dito. And like I said sa nakaraang video, we're going to learn how to say Christmas, Holy Week, Halloween, and New Year in Tagalog. Looks like my brain is still sleeping. Nakaidlip kasi ako. Okay, let's start. So, let's start it with Halloween, which is Undas in Tagalog. Undas. Undas. And you can also find a link down below. You can also find that word sa November 1st Learn Tagalog episode na ginawa ko, and you can see other Tagalog words in there na related sa Halloween or Undas. And Philippines does not celebrate Thanksgiving Day like we do here in the US, so let's go with Christmas. Christmas in Tagalog is Pasko. Pasko. New Year is Bagong Taon. Bagong Taon. Bagong Taon. At Valentine's Day sa Tagalog ay Araw ng mga Puso. Araw ng mga Puso. Haba, no? Araw ng mga Puso. And if you wanna say Happy Valentine's Day, you say Maligayang Araw ng mga Puso. Maligayang Araw ng mga Puso. That's Happy Valentine's Day in Tagalog. And that's for the sake of learning it in Tagalog, but if you have Filipino friends and you wanna greet them a Happy Valentine's Day, they would really appreciate it if you say Maligayang Araw ng mga Puso. Pero kadalasan, most of the time, we just use a Happy Valentine's Day. We just say Happy Valentine's Day. And Holy Week in Tagalog is Mahal na Araw. Mahal na Araw. Mahal na Araw. Okay, so yan muna sa ngayon, or that's all for now. Let's do a review of our Tagalog words. We have Halloween or Undas. Undas. Christmas is Pasko. New Year, Bagong Taon. Bagong Taon. And Valentine's Day, Araw ng mga Puso. And if you wanna say Happy Valentine's Day, that's Maligayang Araw ng mga Puso. And last one, Holy Week, which is Mahal na Araw. Holy Week, Mahal na Araw. So, yun lang. Bye-bye. Good night.